Today we're building a beautiful Western Red Cedar bench with planters built in on either side. Now this is great for defining spaces on decks, but it also looks beautiful in just about any type of garden. It's a classic design, but we've got some contemporary twists going on. Take us through the features, Jim.
Well, we're looking for a really simple, linear look. We're going to basically start with the base and then just layer up from there.
And of course we're using Western Red Cedar for this project because nothing looks, feels, or smells quite like Western Red Cedar.
That's right.
Let's get started. So it's coming along beautifully. The three base components are already done, and Jim, that didn't take long at all.
No, that's because the plan is very simple, so in that the cladding and the structure are one and the same.
Plus, Western Red Cedar is durable, yet surprisingly lightweight, so easy to work with.
Yes, and it's very true. It takes fasteners well, and it lasts for decades.
That's right. So what's the next step?
Next step is to build the 4 planter components.
Great. And of course, for more detailed instructions, you can go to realcedar.com for free downloadable building plans. Looking good, Jim. Now, what kind of fasteners are we using for this project?
We've been using stainless steel screws, and we do that because they don't corrode and stain the wood.
Good to know. Now, do you have any other pro tips?
Yeah, there's lots of shorts in this project, so I would head by my local Real Cedar supplier and see if they have any deals on shorts. You might save yourself some money.
Good to know. What's the next step?
Next step is to take all these components and start putting them together.
Can't wait to see it. Wow, it's really turning into quite the statement piece, Jim.
Yeah, it's coming along.
What's left?
Well, these planters on either side, they have 3 loose pieces of 2x6 in there that we can drop in at various heights to support whatever size pot you have in there.
Nice.
Yeah.
And after that?
After that, we're going to be building the bench top. It's going to be removable so that you can use it for storing things.
I love that feature.
Yeah, it's a great feature.
And what dimension are we using for this?
2x6, as we have for most of this unit. 2x6 happens to be our most requested decking material as well. It's very true, it scales well to decks or projects like this, and it lasts a long, long time.
Yeah, it sure does. And for this project, we're using a beautiful naughty grade of Western Red Cedar, which is really going to add a lot of texture and warmth to the project. Plus, it's a cost-effective choice.
That's right.
All right, let's finish her off. Another great job, Jim. And you know what? It looks like I'm not the only one who loves this project.
Yeah, it looks like the pugs are on side.
I love the tonal range, the way it works from a nice warm honey, almost a yellow hue to a pinkish purple.
Yeah, it's sure purple.
Now we're just going to let this weather naturally, eventually turning a beautiful silvery patina. But it's good to know that Western Red Cedar is pitch and resin free, which means it accepts and holds a wide range of finishes beautifully.
It sure does.
Now it's time for the garden party. You ready, girls?